Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
But you know they talk to you.
I know they talk all those things. I know they like. I know they watch all those things. I know really get interest. So whoever give you my number, that will not be problem. But whoever give you my number, may still use the match. Talk with you, see. So me, I know they like all this social media. And since she wants me to stay escalate, me I not get issue. I not get problem.
But what you tell me, say your brother naked the sister where you carry go there.
My brother, that will not be even me. No even date there. I don't even know what they do. Me, the only thing make me talk about the matter now. I don't tell them me they carry the game. Make she they go. Make they chop the money. Make they chop the money.
You are right. Tell her, make they tell her, say make she go back to Benin. May they not even leave her for that country. May just go. May if he
nobody they leave her for that.
May they carry her, may go back to Benin.
They go down on my anything we she want to down on the problem. So I say yours.
Now so it reach you now. This one not be matter of say social media matter. You are my sister.
Me not they like all those kind because me I know they like all those kind of things. Me I know they do social media. I know they look.
You know say our Oba don't swear put for this matter. Why you still doing? My sister.
Wait see me she not tell no say the Oba swear when she say she want go.
But if like say you not talk say you want carry, nobody say you want go.
Nobody disturb her. You don't say when they know her. Not be today they know this case. Now she they call person every day they disturb her. Nobody because me I said to my son saying to me concern the people I know the poor one, I know one.
Okay, you are not from
They
Benin.
ask her 35 times. 35 times now they ask her 35 times. No call them in your ass. Because me no say Obasi. 35 times now they ask her.
So we don't get sense. More picking. We don't get sense.
He said the guy did 17 years.
Ask her whether the girl, if the girl did 17 years, doesn't make the girl come do passport for 14 years. Now 14 years, if you want to go get one before go.
You know, see her 14 years.
Ask her whether now 14 years, now you say first thing one go get one go. Make them say not be say all of them go use that one make they talk, they're not useless.
Hi.
I be mama no know.
Is their mama still know?
That girl is not 17 years. Yes.
Una see her. Yeah, who are going to get
Nobody carry and swear. Nobody do anything. Now out of the goodness, now my sister said wait till day in mind. The money everybody pay, not many everybody want pay, not being she want collect. Because okay, things not then they okay make you collect this money. Okay, that not be even problem. What if she don't want to not be asked to go? And because of man, it was say and say make you go meet person for so place. That one good. You can't even lie say they arrest her. That one carry every day. They use money. They use almost 50,000. Say they carry taxi. They go from prison to prison. They go find
they look for her.
Oh mom, may you talk to Donnie. This one again when we say that they beg, said or even that one they give her go they are told they play go say mommy want lick ice cream, you want to do this, you want to do that so. I didn't as if not baby because they look at the way they do they say now more money. So the essence say because if you don't pay the half of the money you want to pay, don't say make they go because the way they do it, they do more of 3 years. I be made the house their sister. Now the money made the same the rest. Now the same she pay.
You no.
Or make the sister they push his sister say make it they go. Whether not be 35 times now the house come.
Before una carry her go, im mama come una house. Before una carry the girl go, im mama come, her mother come there.
No, nobody even go anybody. Say now only phone normally they hear even talk. Because me not even they look at all those they swear, they not swear, they do all those they papa. They talk to mama, the mama say okay, no problem. Say na this na that. They ask her say you want, she say yes. Even the things that it delay where we for going, this 1 year. Because this one say no one do, this one say no one do. Now so they call everything. They call everything.
He say now they don't make it down. He say they want post am.
He boss say and say you know one. He boss and say make it come out. Now that one contact me one go they stay with. He come run go meet down for us. Call say they arrest him. Now call carry motor they jump up and down. They find out for police station to police station. So me that my the last. Me before they shut up and dancing na what now they call na 17 years. That not be issue. I don't tell me they go. If they say they not pay the money, that not be issue. Me they carry. No, how much the money be? Me they carry me that they go.
Make you go back to Benin.
Me carry the money. But the thing I made they talk. Who want okay the ticket?
How much? From Dubai. From Dubai to Benin, how much for ticket?
May check on for online. May go back. The only the ticket alone is 450,000. I should go and check it. Or make call agents, make the ask. The money set now, the money set me they say may pay 450. Now they want to say okay, a ticket go back. So even the money may take everything now waste because me she just carry a while and me she.
Money when they say may pay now it be 450,000.
No, for how much the money may they say may pay now how much 1 million. They go okay.
Now 1 million they say may pay 1 million naira.
That's the same may pay.
1 million naira. Well, 1 million, which is 2,500. I'm not take bolog now. Your zige tickets, you go now with passports. I'm not take bolog. You go give me to your 1 million.
So she don't understand that nobody say make it pay. They don't even say make that money. Now the 1 million, then it's okay, make it pay. But that the money does still use. Does not say okay a ticket. Make she dey go.
Brother, hold on, brother, hold on. My sister, may you hold on. They listen to what your brother they talk. Hello.
Your brother, now you're coming. Go they testing me.
Hello, my sister, may you hold on. Yeah, hold on. You know, say me, I not the judge bad thing for you. So we go talk at the way it be. I don't care whether it be Yoruba, you be Hausa. We must say the truth. Me, I not the judge one side. Hello, brother.
No, be even judge.
My sister, listen. Hello, brother.
Hello, mama.
Ijue matia well, we can keep my warrior. Yes or no? Tomato salobwa.
Mama, okay, but walo me no dey aware. Ole irani yesema we you remember.
Ewe meta ijue matia aware.
She not dey aware. She they do they get to do it like she not dey aware because the woman not dey aware.
Ijue matia aware. Say the truth.
Not dey aware. She not the woman say she not dey aware.
When mo ti wa yelani. Antoine kere ni when mo ye balani. Mo tuone kere na balani we. Mo balani we ya no ta.
Inya mi e phone eh.
Inya mi e phone.
Inya mi e phone o block me WhatsApp ni inya mi e phone eh. Me be say go gbegun.
Inya mi o bi ju e phone.
Inya mi e phone e for e go block me WhatsApp.
My sister.
If they say they lie, now she is a person may carry matter con truth no every day math.
Hey, they collect the game for the block it for WhatsApp. Me say go break my WhatsApp.
We join there aware.
In mama na we dey talk say I beg the pet town, make them not.
We join that time here when you are better.
That matter. The committee the app for mama dey do bell get no jail Emma. I wait what I mean me has with Banya with Nejo.
Ijue agele he. Ijue he.
Mama, no go to Dubai. Before me know, she will go to Dubai.
Mommy, see, if mama don't know, I ain't tell no because if they tell him to.
That's where Otinye said Dubai. Na keta me, but Ijue he. Or Ijue ni me Ijue te aware.
He know before he even come out the girl.
She go fit the for us, but you know they are weird.
Please tell me of the message. I fit screenshot and send and give you or send you voice note. He say he go tell the girl say he no want to make the girl go. So if the girl fit tell him, why the girl not tell mama?
Damn you are. Owe mi gwe record the game ye meti send the give me. Ni me mi gwe mega me no
Yes. I tell her my dad before because our two they play for we got call Ogume go say she dey tell me or man make the girl pay the money, she go fit pay the money. Before I don't end the call, my mom called me say they beat the girl, say they call her, they beat the girl, they cry for phone, say me come pay money, me come pay money. Why they go call woman they beat pikin?
Mommy, no it be the whole problem now, safe. As you say, now only she even go safe. Another person will not talk. You see another person, when you say the other
All those ones not before our people, not be even saying a person where person will say sorry, I beg. Come carry down one follow body. And person may carry follow body down and a Chris person. Only one come out, only one not come out. It costs to carry person follow body. Say, okay, see that person more wrong with that person. Yeah. Me and even
send him the video.
Me and my friend made it there with the quarrel. All of them they cost me. So
Ije na dey aware. Ije na dey aware. Ije na gele. Ona gele dey aware. Ije me a blame. Ije he a blame.
So, mom, even I don't beg, I don't ask me there, I don't beg, I don't, they don't shout for me, they don't cost me. I never, because more picking them, they cost me. If I carry head, I say, yeah, I beg.
Oh, we are married. He said they don't know now. They don't even know now.
In the fee, thing and send, say they don't know it's good. That not be the issue because not be even money person they will depend.
Not that. Don't monogale me one.
Okay, the ticket made.
Oh, Mr. Mutias, give you a momo. Oh, Mr. Mutias, you have a mess one way. You mess one copy, yeah. Huh?
17 years. Okay, me also okay. That gets 21 years. Don't be 17 years.
What 21?
21 or 20 something said.
Okay, now, my sister, we need to conclude the matter. How she want how now want to carry and go, but now need to carry and go back to Bini.
Now be the thing. No, that make the same money. Come in the same book the ticket. Make she did.
Who want to send money? They get money before we go there. If they get money, not be she go for juice and money go. Now she go for juice and money.
That's how it be the thing. They not carry and swear. They not carry and do jaga. They even the test herself. Recently said now instantly they spend 200 for her. All the money they spend for her is almost roughly 1.6 million. See, almost 1.6 million that they spend for her. Okay, now they say pay 1 million made for you.
Well, send the video, brother. Send the Harry.
Eh?
Well, where he said the naked girl, your brother naked.
No, me, I'm not going to report those kind of things for phone. I don't delete them. But
tell your brother that for no naked them now. The for no naked them.
Not be even that one says. Now the person own way carry follow body. Now that one, now they do it today. Now that test because that one, I don't even know get down for comfort. Because I don't tell you, my sister know the talk put again because my sister down body they prepare her. I think now only sister I will come out. If I for tackle this issue, maybe I for say, okay, Mona do this like this. So I yes now it can't take Carolina the more on my I just say okay, I can't carry person follow body. Maybe you know say the girl said now you're bad person. He can't carry person follow body. When that boy go this na small pikin, 17 years now this poor person. No, person made me know me go the beg down and say she not this. So that will not be the issue. They say, nobody say make them no. Nobody say me even say that okay make the rest for the matter. And so the other one said that one people don't bring money come. They book flat or that one make it go tomorrow.
Why put it in your lap? Make it not put down on lap.
Tell your brother, may they not put that naked video online.
No,
beg,
that one.
Tell them may they delete
her.
her.
May they delete her.
May they delete her. Nobody knows tomorrow.
I don't lie, I don't be bad set.
God bless you.
I call the beat. I call the feedback like this kind of no nah. Why do do that kind of thing?
How they will just naked and video and not good.
I say I do.
Hey brother, go make the video.
May delete her for your phone because all those kinds of some people waiting person because
not be waiting person.
They awkward. First you get family now. The person may want to upload and he not still get family. He not get shame.
Why not go video and send that give me and see what you want to do?
Yo, you have make math. Now that one, the math made that bro to make that the best one. I not be anything. Now that one I go to tell those ones for that time. That make them go provoke.
They go pay money. See, not the like everything I for give me and see.
Now that one I go to tell them for that. I go to shop for all those ones.
Hi.
Me want to go meet them for them. I go to beg.
My sister, I want to advise you not do them again. Even though that person they beg you say
no,
help me, not do them, man. Now even money.
Mama, no lie. All this because this I know they like to pay full hand. I know they like to
you know good. Human trafficking no good, eh? Don't put your hand. Even though your brother said they will pay you million, no care.
This can see the girl go on set, not getting on because Oba already thought say. Because me I don't already said. I say me, we get there someone 100 times. She want go, she say yes to this or blah blah blah. And I say why happy mama, kimi con. So that one, nobody go want gain set, not be even gain the issue now. Then they say me they bring her, come they bring her. So well, instead they want to say okay the ticket. Nah, cheat. But when you see the abroad, you know say that the okay ticket.
Now they beat the now see beat this evening. Call mama say me pay money. Now they talk truth, sister. They talk not they like they talk truth. Now beat down. They call mama say pay money. They talk truth.
No, he say your brother still beat the girl this evening again. Now call the girl, mama, call the small girl, mama say, make your daughter.
The girl, mama, first of all, the girl, mama, not strong. What is they do? If they're checking and they start to cry. That girl not strong. Even me, I know, whenever, I don't know if they say person sharp and that they cry. Now, so the girl, they never need to knock and say, go they cry. You know, all those children, all those girls, is like, momo.
Now, you see, I'm not saying, I see, brother, thought say they're 21 years, it's true. Not so, now, his brother and sister, man.
And 21 years, 21 years.
It's not 17 years.
Don't just make us do passport is 5 years ago, but mama, if they go Russia 5 years ago.
I
want to go. I
want to have a passport no yari Russia.
Mama, which the girl, then they get all your
said that mama said that boy to let me respect me first to say mama no know. Said that girl don't get the passport. I'm missing passport. Make sure no see that girl they really spend money for a hair too. Nobody they want career. They not the one who career.
I beg, I don't know whether you fit do me favor. Make you call where it day now. Hello, my sister, do me one favor. Where the girl day? Now I want me to put your sister number. Make them give the girl. Make her answer a question. May you put them for line now.
Yeah, beg. You know, they're not the P call them for this thing. They're not the P call them for WhatsApp. I don't really know how the matter. They only make me even they talk right now. They only make me they talk. I say because me I know and nobody put us for this their issue again. This thing I'm saying, if they even see if not 500 or 600, may they go give them, may they okay the ticket, make sure they go. Because me I don't even know who I want connect, nothing. This one they talk to my sister know they pick my call again. That one don't cost me.
Okay, now how many years now when she don't come?
Which 2 weeks?
In 2 weeks? In 2 weeks, easy. Oh, Elio, wana yana wa, zona wa rene na other 2 weeks keka.
The only contract, they say they get no one work, they begin to beat together, they get that.
Oh, where Yama, where they don't want the guy say no one to a child.
Okay, together, not to say, not this, mama, but many people will be many people. What did the girl do? Ask her, ask her, get for city. Ask her. You know the kind of shower when the girl they do for Benin. All work in the car that gia. Always the car that.
Oh, we be agara baby kada.
Mama.
Where you come from, my sister? You be Asian?
I'm not Asian. I'm Benin girl.
You be Benin?
I be Benin.
Well, sure. Do you have no?
No, I'm Benin. I'm there Irish. I'm not Asian.
You not be Benin, because the way Feto say we Benin, so you don't the way take.
No, this thing I dey talk and the Benin festival say talk and we not good. I not the way because the not waiting the boy talk just now. You change him as he say the sister say no one do a shower. That one shocked me. They truly talk and say I dey see the thing they have to before, but they laugh. It's just that they do not kada. Ask anybody, call people make the kada. They will tell you, call the girl, they will know.
Well, may we hear from the girl. If you can be able to help her for ticket, may go home. So make her hear from the girl.
Not the only thing, because
make her hear from the girl.
People connect to them. They want many things that know the pick up. I mean, not say to pick up and not pick.
Make her hear the guy want to reach the girl now.
That's the only thing. I don't know because the people may not know if they want me to know the people. You know, they may get us. It don't cost me. I know because the only thing I might be talking now, they may they give them, may they okay the ticket, make sure they go. I know even the waiting at the caller, even the this itself, all the time. So may they not worry. I go even if I get no worry, I go pay them.
Hi, on that 2 weeks, yeah. Just 2 weeks, so that's one who got that more.
And you know the thing now, the bad thing. I mean, say no, say the girl a bad girl. All of them know it because it's their brother. We talking, you know it they do. The girl, you want come out, you want run on Tuesday. You can't declare say me they open tax for her on Monday. They can't pay 225,000 and say open tax for her. You know if you want come to. She doesn't see what make them the best now. They are part of the because like say they arrest them. They can't find out they go from one city to one city.
On 2 weeks?
Yeah. Mama,
now 2 weeks now.
How is the girl wrong? How did they catch the girl? Peter.
He wrong. You know how they take cash. He say he want to collect the passport. He want to collect. The person get it wrong. Go. Because me they believe now this is brother now. This is brother because he girlfriend dey there. Now this is brother say me wrong go meet his girlfriend. That one come say he want the passport. He want the passport and the visa. Now they say me couple letter.
Why you dey lie?
Because my sister calm. Me all believe say my sister calm. He say why they lie. Me they tell you something. Say why me they lie.
No, waiting me I can't want now. I want to talk with the girl so that make we know how she wants to go back. She needs to go back to Nigeria. Okay, can not you
the only thing make me talk.
Now, may you now everything tell your hand now because
this is brother. This is because they do not want me go. What they be want to? They don't want me. I know we should.
He not go stay there. Never. Not be you go carry and come and stay. He must go back to Benin. Let her go.
But this the person. They're going need to okay the ticket now. They're going to need to okay.
But talk to your family, yeah. I beg. Talk to them. Make them free.
So nobody even they never put money join. Even the money set in meet where your court because 400K for ticket. Maybe at least the person will see like 600,000 for inside the money. They're not the remaining 5 million. The remaining 500K.
Send the video in the send the video.
No, I don't delete one. I don't delete. I know people that can't see.
Not be you. Now this brother want me say that. But send the video in the video.
Okay, my problem.
Oh yeah, send the area.
Me send I give you.
But no, women are not about it now. But not
well, send the area in the number 2, Nwayala go. Human traffic must stop. More not do human traffic again. Now even money. My sister, you will do the Italy. What you concern that business?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell your sister, make them tell her make go home. Make go.
And now what I said talk because now I don't get check. I don't take my show. She made the just. She don't be good for the matter before. When she said they don't know because they don't know.
Yeah, Ivano, we are going to get here, Ivano. You see the way where your brother they don't need them now. Why they go do them like this?
I don't know what he do. Now the other one.
What did she go just do rich like this when they go just naked that they got that they beat them for inside bed? Why your sister go behave like this?
I don't know because that one.
No matter what she do, no matter what she do, they don't have rights to naked human being like this. They beat them for inside bed. What did she do? Even if she be wrong, come out.
Me, I don't talk, I don't tell. They never they pick my call again. My sister has never insulted me once, and this matter I think has to be questioned.
Is she two of this? Yeah, they just they beat the naked day. And one brother did that. Who be that boy where he did that?
Now that brother, now they find the excuse they go. That same brother, they even put that same.
But you go for no naked day now. If you want beat on her, you go fit tell us a little there. You two choose me waka. I go just take the same they come out claw. See their toto, see their breast. Brother, if you they look me, it shall never be well with you. As you naked those children, it shall never be well with you. Not be like this, they say the church child. Are you going for what now? What kind of matrix be this one now? What kind of wickedness be this one? Tell your brother, it shall never be well with him. Shall never be well with him. For what now? Can you go don't naked people like this, they beat them like this? For what? No bra, no pint.
Mama, they're naked, they're normal level, but nobody beat them. Only that one you talk, they're not beaten.
But why you go naked them? What did he want to achieve? Where go naked them? Why your brother creative all mind like this? Can they do it to him picking?
Yeah, even because of that one, when I sit down, I go say, okay, since I the matter, they are paid.
Oh.
Collect, make them pay visa, make them pay ticket money, make them go. They don't even me, they even cost me. They never cost me before, they cost me. Because I wish I just tell you for the very beginning, as that one you said to say one come out. And for you to say they say okay. Because me say to the way this matter say, there for 2 days when she take one, she say she want come out. I said, okay, no problem. Make them bring money, come, make them okay a ticket, make she go. Later, she say she don't want to go again. Me no know she had the device plan, or now she want to come out, carry that one, follow body. The other one, follow body. I say come out. For 2 days, they not see them. They say na so police carry them. They're awful. Now from city to city, they start to defend them, they go.
Can you give me this your brother number?
I don't get my brother number, only my sister. My sister will never pick, and she not go pick, because if she not pick my own, she not pick your own. And the way me even they meet they come, my sister not that kind of person. I don't want anything. God never bear me witness. I don't want anybody me will be say upon the talk to you anyhow. God forbid. Because me and her mostly I see your show, but I don't believe that she know anything about you.
Okay, no problem. God will bless you and thank you so much. But tell your brother say the matter reach my hand. Tell him say I'm not happy.
No, me don't. I quarrel with them. No, normally I quarrel with them.
The nakedness is not normal.
I quarrel with them. Not this one because but me not that video not get there before. For that one I'm very sure. Me I never feel look and say if I come out and for one, which me know say she not go even look am.
Okay, so what is that how to beat somebody? Not to naked down.
For the matter again. May they stop you okay, may they be the money, may they forgive the agent, may okay the ticket, may she go.
You know, say now you carry and go. Now you go see carry and go. No be he say now you be a madam. Still tell your sister, say make they carry and go back for you.
Now I talk, now carry and go back.
Make the carry, may nothing happen to her because now you go see carry and go back. I drop it for Benio. Bye bye. Now you go carry and go, my sister. The way your brother maltreat her, I'm not like Amo. Belle not sweet me.
Me myself not see like him because I know the kind of person will be say even she's I know she be that kind of person. Normally go your tell best pump because the day when she said do one, and so they have to come quarrel down because okay, me the money she dey worse. As someone comes to me, they pay money, make she go. I said, because she not they go. I can't say they actually every day play. She buy an ice cream, all those kind of stuff. Meanwhile, me no say this brother don't tell her say me go meet his girlfriend for Dubai. Me go meet her for BIT.
And your sister wicked, she just concentrate with video. You see the video there. She will be woman. She just carry phone the video there with nakedness. I be not be she wear purple knicker so. She just see the video there with her own phone. No problem.
She wear purple knicker, no.
Okay, no problem, my sister. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
No, not be issue. So now the only thing I talk, ma.
Okay, may you try to carry and go back here? I beg.
Now what I tell them, me not talking. I say because nobody will say, okay, person still lost money because he use your money. Say okay, no fear happen now. No fear happen because now what they done? Because now what she say even said the same. May they give her his document say December and man will bring the money. And I say if the money they account, you go the bond for there. It's better. If person even go in and say do operation, say even better. Say make for fans, people will see.
No, person not they do evil thing because of 1 million like this.
Make she calm down. The only thing I'm saying, if they just pay the money, make they carry and go airport, make she they go, make they okay the ticket. Because the earlier the better. These are the read. Because now, as me say she they work, so for even they feel they do this change. But now they read, so anything they want to make they do one now.
Okay, no problem. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye bye. Brother me. Ma bege we ne kesi na kwachi na. Ijue o ma e family oge boy na no mo ate. Otun na o ma beta. Otun ma beta we even wo betie we. O ma beta we egbe na ni mu mi ade. Geke no wi aje be do o ma beta oni o ma no tun na. Oni o ma ne.
Mama
Oni o ma ne. Iye ta mo be yana. Omo no meje o we mi ta mi jo ma beta ma we. Okay, what's no me that thing address ave boy na baba na ya arrest yan. I arrest family oge. Ahwa na. I arrest family oge. But now matter oni o ma ne. No, oni o ma nu wa. Why says wa asame. Why pa wo wa uta mi juwe. Ije gege family mi ale le travel umata mi juwe. Give me na way my nakedness. Yeah, va we no biya. Wa gbele ya no pa we gbe me phone we. O ma be give a video.
3.
Oni o mania. E kere me ya blame me ya ma you told ma we. O wo tun na gele wa mu me. E money ri ya pa yo ware. Da Maria bana otuno ye ka kolwane. It's good to say the truth. Di ma kolwa that fear of a mother or tami je wije. Ge yan na me yan we am me travel. Already na ka keke ni adoken life no ka live ni odo degbe na. Ono mane. What's your need to man what no man? Dey to your hanata mi ju e dame yo. Oh, when again, I'm at Temata, to where me blame because they told time we jouer. You joue a family no more. What's the number of time you jouer? What's here?
Amata, the woman was
Abe Monica Kiniwa Kekuana, no me say 12 years ika wikia. One and move your hand. Okay, Glomo no me fear of a mother. We are Mario no that country. Mata mi jouer. Ama egbe no mu work pa you o ma ebe ke o boy die na do ati you o boy die na do ati ewe o ma be the case of anything o give an o mo travel nothing like that 15 years 17 years I work me go ati okay go ya we passport o ma go ya we passport ime boye mata e kero ahin ya na ro deti ejwe ngwa na na e video na ni ya wu na akwe na igwe na si adi wa ya ren ya no ya ren ya no age go urule bo ya mo adi owa amana mo ere na seti obo amana bego tuwe na neve police station we ye no rene o I bail ya ro pa na ya arrest Na wa ke yak me na joy na. My family yan my gbeni yak. O go ovie sa kwana na where o abibini. You are not Bini. Don't lie to me. Even you were even there against Bini people. And you know say Bini people how they do their thing. Get go na. Okay, what can you nana?
Mama, we were men go tanana nyame college nyame before we no pay. We need to matter temata. Or when makase 4 million or kasa.
There is nothing you can do. We wait reaching ya. Oh, make on aju wa no bu Nigeria me nwa. Do wa na wa le lo ma travel. Giju wa o wa no ki. Then meje ma broji me o we madam eh. Oh, yin o mana me we se fe obuyan yari wa. O bi mi mai mo eh. O ke va gije na no ya mo bi me pa. O ya disturbing ya. E o ye pe ma no bu wege ma ya la we bu. If family man ya disturb me madam we ah. O ke no wa gba na we me no mu pa mai mo eh. O do wa ma do tie tun. Ije me tie me baba na we tun do apope ye wo wa. Wo pa yo mata. Owo bi o kan wa yo han yi o ma this virgin eh no ma ko ma show na be oni yan ni kedina wa pa nyu wa ro be tami juwe sakamoria
3.
Well, there is nothing we can do now again no gonna imai wo no je vitali amabi anybody no me yan okay me but ti we ti we ni o ti we ti we ni bo so no me no tun we did even mu we na we aje o so no mana ne ya brother o so mana no to
But we can travel now we are always be now we
ati now ti o ma fi phone
call me or when you say Dubai now with Nigeria ma me so far here now but you are away
okay o ti we o ti brother Oti weti we ya travel. Ika if you calling na me because o ugwa wa mu me kugwe kene no tun o tun ni kere no re 17 years na tie ma ya travel ye Dubai. O ma no we why you we Dubai? Am we re Dubai? Ije dey aware o ma no e. Wo so no ma na no ta. O so lo bona bie no to ta ma we ye Dubai. Well, because wa on ya we Dubai, you know, webo. On me 70 years when you're in Dubai as a senior brother. Man no go tell me why you go to Dubai. I get one way, man no.
3.
On na no tie na o tie me ifia. Me no bere we fia. Who we were dey call it? Ah. Hello,
come on.
Eh, o site we.
Ya could put you.
Oh, Mesa. One or say I want to call it, call J.
Okay.
In many meje, me ko do kun bu ezo. E boy na, ije e ti get dia all iya emi ya. Iya what they are we. But we were do time where we are travel. Ma be le we egbe na mo travel. Because ebo na egba maji who carry your money no we background them and omo how do I go blame me iya ma o oga ni na naked oh they are very wicked oga na get na we human traffic she's wrong but ekene me kekpa again na ya naked e boy na be je me blame do to we maria o miss 70 years do we my kan go fie o ne go ho bi ha ne o tie wo me pa yo ware we brother amomeri Dubai uma be no ta what are you doing there well ele se va ne and I do call him me no you can get a different that we say o open that way o mama secret that way o we say Dubai ona you do call we brother he say Dubai ne o
3.
we be smart no address
7. 5.
Uma be smart no and illegal 80. Uma be smart no address. Uma be smart no address. Okoli we are here suffer me woman no we dey no mo we got here to buy woman no agi nikede enena agi nikede enena we do akọ abi me do wa get a point me okay o tie we brother here suffer me woman no we dey gbe no mo we are here ba na
7.
woman no we brother sis otemi nikere di no ya we do buy Deva no mo we gari Dubai. Umano. Ari bano ne ve na no do aso. Wa gemi ari ane wa ke ate kashon. Wa ke o de no keke no wala. Wa gemi kolo ane. Ye kolo ane be ge na na. Vi no wa se Dubai no wa no we o we yi pari Dubai. Me o ge tu we gbot. Wa ya we Dubai. Rota ya we ni do also. Hani do we magele support travel no video ejo. Me have a family me yeah what am brother of America or we London or anywhere hello brother in Italy oh we aniki oh we meziegbe no iziegbe this egbe no ni me no a last born wa where we boa ire we bo madam mo mere de wona no do wona awe ni to gbegbe agia go me hama we ke na pa etielani na uke ya wunu egbegbe tielani me have ye me emie ko boss ye otun e ma support achawo ere no wi ji menekere ona tie me o ye mi ma do pa no mu ye e me tie ne mada ino kwa mo bi je me la wo bi go we gbe Edamo, or take a video of 20 guinea. Mwek big guy guinea. Where again, that take madam, madam came on here with you. May came at tea, madam. Again, it may have level yana. You know what? See, una movie jemmy la webo. More top of it, movie jemmy. Oh, what do women who got movie jemmy la webo, you go way be. A woman in a cure body, one away anymore. Or tell me where a bejo ya well, one away. Oh, gain a quack of which what tea, we are more we go be. Kevin we tell brother, when me wa blame me, especially when no be now. You don't behave as a man. You don't take action as a man. Your junior sister already 70 years. On a run time when we are Dubai. We school you. Ato bombe we jesku. Don't make a koloa. Many me wa jeno. We are many me training me school e opu. O what ye me baba na we mommy. Here Dubai. First thing you can know why are we Dubai? O tama me ni ya ya o. I manage. O ya yin ya na e. Wo we aje. O ma no ti o yo ti me mu lele gbe adi o wa. Ti me gyo ti me no lele yan re wa no ya o wa no ma ne kere. Don't play with you ma bi e. I gyo ti me ne kere. O ti me no ti o. O tama me we o si e. O si e hope abi si Jennifer Ripalo. Do si no ni. O we go pa ya gba Jesco. We o wa no kere o we e ma we. E Jennifer go si no. Ya gba Ripalo. Gege. Lele yan lele. E gani aware wa lele. Nu ago wa no kere do ato we. Eri gele we. O gele yan teme na lele. Ki e kene no wo si o. Nene e Jennifer bi hope ga no ko si ko ya invaki. Awe mommy, iyo wa e na we o. Oka kene o ma na vio we na no gba o no ya o wo so that na ma mi wa ya no so ni o ma pa no dori la wa. You must care. If you Canada me na ya mama bo fie o. Ya mama bo fie o. Okay na de ke no e kesu wana na. E ke na fie no ba wo re ba na mi ya fo. Ime lu enwa na again na ba o zegori e respect me because e ma ni buya ta we ma ba se call nya because wa ma egwe na ya liya o ma ni wa we gba me gbeso wo nu wa dollar you need to pay them. You call Jenoge who respect they will listen to you. Ago we are what say wa ju say violent of you call ni ju ohun ado we agun we kwa lu are ni we kwa lo no make na ko the horn we tie. Omega no se odo master egina we uke do eme no ya gwe ri me ya we me ti o ma de no ma fie phone ji mo hu let's go man ma pick it call cuz I know how to handle them. ime bonye mata e brother na go e wa no go wa sie mi ya wo sie uti a wo wa se ba ni ari banene na egbe inyo hia e ko ma me mo we ta go 70 years o to no de 70 years o ke panyo we do ka ma we ya panyo ware o ma de no ta o ya we ba do tu we makaria ko so mo aria na o we yeri Lagos ha no e bo ya wo o mo aria na o we yeri Abuja no e bo ya wo of course omo no Maria ye ga je the next company ano egwe wojo whatever to saloboa omo no Maria we awon no lelu gwesefi gere de ji water mi je iji ego mo mi na ogwe ni lele yan ara igwe omo no ri ahin ale lo ma ara igwe ta mo tun eropa o be ro be la wa be no o me so we awon no lelu we ara igwe o mo na take permission obera elele wejigwe ogwe no mu de ni ka ta meri eta mejiene. So any omono mata merata miju we omono kolu ano omono vio eno omono de la one oma mata cause amana time yan na wani bu wa fin o wa latia with nonsense in waje do ma gele kolu ije bo so mona tamije do omono gele ri respect ni je no go balo no ya mi na ogwaligo omono de 70 years wo hu ya gele no museo esie Gwena na ba gwe ya gwa brother a le gwe me le gwo gbewunu osupa opia no gele o ga ime no iji ni fa gene Jennifer wa jeni no wa do tie me gwe momi jore onare odo ti me ni de so wie ni jeme supo giver o wie ne no ni mate eziegbe o wie sti me no bu na ni me kokona o ri ajo ya tuo just for a weekend I take a permission with bome okay do tie me we momi jore ya tu estazie gbe mo we no hia ita we no hoke gbe hia iya arie party iya take a permission with bome momi jore ovie church ovie school ma o hia we birthday ya we no jo keju ya we ya bejo I don't know akoko mo tani ya isakane ya giri eme no matami ya wa koli gi ma pick uwe weribo na mi gugwa no buguji ya gun wa call ila ki na fi eme ni tajo monu debi no edo ta no so go me na mi atemata ma gwa we gwe ni mo iga koluwa respect ijue ko se kenu riyo ma ke no hi erareba ijuereba ta many body we go man one le travel so that man I me why ya dinyaji ya dinyaji beti wow okay boy when you nana e video nana o what say e company de family ya na wa renya ya obi o kana mana tore ne me do aziabo wa ga o ti ona no taba we e no button ye ni ye mo e ri o block ye no aga dinya ma na mo e gwere gba di owa there is nothing you people can do but the only thing when I want tell you my sister you will dey Italy no let blood dey your hand no let blood dey your hand I take God beg you carry that girl who got do it una lose o ma dey mi no ria. If you invest money put for business or my day, carry that girl go back. If you like lose 1 million, it does not matter. It's better than that girl die for there. Take her back to Benin Kingdom. If you want me, God bless you. If not so, you will lose more than that 1 million in Italy. And when I have a lose everywhere, because will you be happy? Oma rasef abanu ebe ya na mawo mo no mara because of panyo ware o be panyo ware de ke no pare 2 weeks be bo egbe be ne to ya fo se no gbegbe ga o yere na telephone ware o ri le na ma jere ya re passport o e ke no le ya na we passport we you cannot move without passport o ya gbere gbe ati o so please find a way if you like to lose money find a way no mo pare o okay. So anything concerning human traffic, stay away from it. Atiebojo, amatiebojo. Human traffic is a bad disease. It's a bad money. It's a blood money. A blood money, no. You go to sleep. Another person picking go the do roads. I mean, madam, you need a person like, but go and look at their life. Iya is was. Iya is was. No make error. No be mansion. Eruwiya ya. Iya bogbeya be for flat. Be 2 flat. Madam, boss. He got money here. Don't ba uye ya ni ave ya gbigbe age. De madam mama gbigbe age. Yero. So my sister, I just God beg you. I just those 3 women. They don't die before they born your papa, born your mama. They can't beg you. Take that child back to Benin Kingdom. Call your brother and your sister. Make they carry and go. Make they not let market there about you. The way they take her for Benin, carry a come there. Make they still carry her like that, carry and go back. Okay? No, I have to wear a bacha go. Ya you will work back. We what by Italy? No one to buy. No, ya also. Why are you okay? Why take a canapé? You can back a canapé, give somebody may do a banner sakari. Eric Bogiuna. He gave one man that they back a canapé of hundreds on a guy. Okay, we don't take a canapé, no September. A banner sinwe, day women you go to wear a men a banners. Naga banner sinwe. Anybody no Asha work here, Asha business okay, why do you wear? Okono arogodo abuga me onwe okono rogodo fi we yo ame ye ma pa we bono e fi we yo a wa ko wodo ya gbegbe agia wa me gbugwa je internet ni na we na ya register ni me gi eto wiere na ya mieso what cause that me ya we uga mweme bumeri we are ya biri na be wenwe iri ria be no peberi ni no peri me ya boyin we do tama megwe nutana here happy happy the solution ika egun ya gun ekeni ya na happy the case e ma ve ni we watch they will learn from it we ya rin apa yan ware be to we ya ga ri address jo to o ma no mu me ya ga ta me family me o iri dokpa o ma go ma iya na egbe family we dey we they cannot punish you, they cannot maltreat you like that. But here I with family women are there where they can give you points. Ya mata pia no hu. Ane ya amoro pa ma no even no ya mo wepa. Error. My brother program me na he. Ovi ojon we. Okay? Ovi ojon we. Ireva ba mo me gera ba aboezo. So I know how to settle case. I carry ya be a boy na nyo wa no ba one mistake with me. Does not behave as a man of the house. It's a woman of the river, Demi Yogwe. Ariani Demi Lelogwe, they are very wicked. Ariani Divio Meme Lelogwe. If you know why I quack webo. What wicked, Beku, why ye canary, anybody no belly got deviate your way. Why you they're Christian Himbana, you can't do this. You see the reason why they say Christian is very good. Guys, get the video. Christian is very good. If you are a Christian now, you can't even talk about prostitution. Amagwa do agbo ma nagbon we yana. Wa ge gwe o se problem ni o we no pa. De ri ono aka. Igu ni ya mo were ke janu e. Mo ya. Banu awa. Wa do divie le logwe. O se ne ni via na bia siu ba ri yeke. Anybody no divie le logwe ne ko e ma nwa. Iyeke kwa ka ya we kwa ka nwa me. Eni Jesu. There is nothing like Christianity. They too sabana. Women mind. Women mind. Emani ma o saye mo mama ge obono bogbewa. Emani ma o saye mo mama ge ayakila. No matter no ri women, imwe me wege ayakila o. O salo banu rekete imwe me wege. Uga disgrace me we no salo ba be gioma gwe no be disgrace we. Uga ba mo oge we no salo ba be gioma gwe no be ba wo oge. Usa ti ba mo oge no ma me ba wo oge. Ah. Almost to ba wo wa we. O we se fa so go me. Emi o pero na mujo bosa no sa wo no ma. Na wa ri totaba eso wa gbe ne committee. Geke na riema wa gbe committee gi yo be. Wa mana tema tabagbon na e money ma bien are do so fa e. Wa gate mata na ya meke na ekwere mo ke nware. Aru de webo wa ri gwo mo ko ogun ko se kwa gbagba boga ila we be mi go giwa. Wa gbagba boga pare Dubai e mi go giwa. Just because of Europe. Wa igi wa igwo mo gwo. 12 years e bi o wa igi kwa gwo ya gwo. E ri ma. 18 years we ga bi o e. Asa ya bolo wa de we mu yibae adi meji bae ne ana yenye yame agwa adozi ya gijomo e di ti ya e no se ni manare lawa. Yes, otira me ni ogune na ona vie gilantia era me na we na ewe na tete damo o ige gwera me we ni ewe ye na de mo we ona amu mo hunjugu ha ona amu mo hu ha ona jiri dam gba mo bo ona gba mo we ona dogwe meji ko so e go po ma kin e ma ni da ye ri agbon we gbe legbe mare agwa ivie no ko me 7 ni meje bo mo ko e do salo ba ya anybody no wo viere ya concentrate jigi ye concentrate jo wi ye we ke go viere ro wi we keke yo wahara. You have killed a lot of people who Pweknozi jiviere we ogu we mighty pweknozi ovio ma agba we also no sabanari that a money mo we ona ogu ona ge no pa e o wa si ogu wa ti ogu wa ovi wa e the bed ovi wa e no pa we ras ovi wa ikekese also ne ni wi wa na we fio boy wa o ko se ge wa ya correct ya wana ya ago ge ro we e mana na kwa mumu na mumu da wa o we no ga me a confess ina ima wo mo no pa masikere Emma, money no salo bare no wa gba ogun ya go gere. Ere we akoki wi me ere mi ayakoko ere we ayakoko we. Oh, some people just want when ye ya control ye me do control gere. But when I really dey ban I don't wo sakanse. I am he. E bisti dey am he. E respect yin ere enu. Okpan ya gwa pe wo wa. E clean ya gwa clean. Omo no gwa le la he 8 years on le la he ne. 8 years we kokomo 10 years o we jina o me na ya len ye be machine ere akokomo o mo no 10 years o me so le bai we me black o ga me white no be le no be gwe no ya be ya mai no be le bo kere o me 12 years o se no lu won me pa wa gele chure ne do ma ya point no zi jo me re bo o me 12 years o se no le bai me se 10 years me ke so lu won me hia egene dana gele nije ni kokomo eso wa ye kokomo wege na o mago wa koke bet eso ro me 15 years o me na garubara he wa ya koke e video so it's a 20 years no ke do so garubara o me 20 years o me na slice tomatoes o me 15 years me na slice tomatoes here o me na ya boil ze gbera idomi awo wa no tawo bi ovio give away ma ovio wi ju e ma ovio wi ju when we ma ni o ti le ma o ti dun mi ma many people were over you awa ovi wa perfect you ovi wa ma wa ovi is the best get one akin omo no is the best cause are gboboka I can omo no is the best get one get say no your bom we go ne okay omo no is the best because when meje amateka go me is the best in egbe amedeja oje gbe me ato amageri me yoka wa mari me yukpo geva ge owe one okay no is the best cause ebe na ya mu wo to ere ya mu soduku ge one okay no manoro okay ne ma one no get omo no say no jogoto. No say no migo ne okay we je we be na wa serious. Wa ya. We begging when our hair we ke do we bi omo. So any okay no ane no ji. No awe pray aji no stay away o mere na monitor. I monitor we cause I walk pass alo bare no mari evan o ma we no pare dian we agogi wa concentrate jo mo no bie cause o mama na ma ba ko we ya no